Let's cut across to big breaking news that's coming in the Sandalwood murder case. Actor Darshan, the very popular Kannada actor, has now formally been arrested. Remember, earlier he was detained, he was being questioned, but now the Bengaluru police confirming that actor Darshan has formally been arrested. His wife, Pavitra Gowda, is currently under custody for questioning. So she is being detained. We're yet to know exactly what their role is because the police are tight-lipped on how Darshan is really linked to this murder case. But Darshan will be produced before a local court today where cops in all likelihood will push for his custody. He's now formally been arrested, leading to questions of what kind of evidence really the police have against this Kannada star. Sagai Raj is joining us with more details on this. Sagai, Darshan being formally arrested, and it will lead to talk that the cops seem to have concrete evidence against him in this murder case.
Absolutely. The Commissioner of Police who was addressing the press conference categorically mentioned that they have evidence, they have CCTV footage supporting that Darshan and his associates have murdered this deceased person on 9th of June. And accordingly, he is being arrested and now he will be produced in the court. And before he could even be produced, he will be taken for a medical test by the police, which is a routine process by the cops. Apart from that, Pavitra Gowda has also been taken for questioning, and so far they have not shown any kind of arrest when it comes to Pavitra Gowda. But the police have confirmed the arrest of actor Darshan in connection with the murder case.
Okay, big update that coming in this case. Thanks very much, Sagai, for joining us with those details. Let's bring in Anaga Keshav on this broadcast. Anaga, serious allegations right now against actor Darshan. We're being told he will be produced later today in a court as well. But just break down the details of this case. How is this particular murder and the accused been linked to Darshan directly and to his wife Pavitra?
You know, Akshita, when Renuka Swami's body was found in Kamakshi Palya, the police then tracked down who were the people who actually murdered Renuka Swami. And when they caught hold of the accused, that was when during the interrogation, all the accused, they unanimously revealed actor Darshan's name. Post that, they took Darshan for interrogation. And as we speak, Darshan is right inside that building. That's the Annapurneshwari police station right here in Bengaluru. And as we speak, interrogation is being done. In fact, his close aide, Pavitra Gowda, against whom Renuka Swami had.
Okay, the big breaking news that's coming in is that both Darshan and Pavitra both have now been arrested in this particular murder case. Anaga, that is the update coming in. Earlier it was just Darshan, but his wife too has formally been arrested now by the Bengaluru police.
Well, Akshita, that's right. You know, as we've been mentioning, both Darshan and Pavitra Gowda are inside this police station that's here in Annapurneshwari police station right here in Bengaluru. And as we speak, interrogation is going on. And later today, all of them will be produced in front of a judge. And the police are very likely to seek custody of Darshan in this murder charge. So what we're being told by police is that it's very likely that, you know, just few days back, Renuka Swami had made some social media posts trolling Pavitra Gowda, who is Darshan's close aide, and enraged by this because Renuka Swami made some negative comments against his close friend. He went ahead, hired some hitmen, hired his guys up, asked him to go murder him, and has brutally smashed his face. As we took a look at those gory visuals, Akshita, very, very, very disturbing visuals. You know, it's just horrifying that an actor who we looked up to for at least 20 to 25 years could have possibly done something as ghastly and disgusting as this. We need to wait and watch what more details unravel from the investigation. The police are very likely, Akshita, to ask for Darshan's custody today when he will be produced in front of the magistrate.
You know, you're right. This is truly a shocking story, and such a popular actor. Darshan is a household name essentially across Karnataka for so many of the films that he's in fact been a part of over the last many, many years in Sandalwood. We'll be tracking all the latest on this. Thanks for a moment, Anaga, for joining us.